What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we're here on Aussie USD and we have found a demand zone. Okay, pretty interesting looking demand zone. We've got this nice area of base here which has then pushed price up. We've broken some structure to the left, breaking out of these highs here. We then had a little liquidity grab with this area here with these lows, and then price slowly pushed up from there. So I'm waiting for price to come back into this zone, fill this fair value gap. And if we fill this fair value gap and we get an entry signal, then we'll be taking a trade. Overall, we have been in an uptrend. If you can see, we had a new lower low here. Okay, we had a new higher high here because we broke the high of this one. And then we've been in this sort of upward trend. But overall, this is a new higher high here. Okay, this is the sort of inward, the inside trend. The overall outward trend is a new lower high, new lower low, new higher high, new lower, new higher low. So overall bias is bullish. We have, as I say, just broken out of these equal highs here as well. So I feel like we could be coming back in to retest this demands area to push up, and then potentially look to target up to this area here. So that's kind of the plan, and we'll just see how it goes. Okay then, guys, so just jumping back in, and we have come back into the zone. Price is pushing up now. And we're not going to enter until we get a break of a candle high on the 5 minutes. So this candle would have to break this candle's high, which we might do for us to take an entry. Stop loss will be below the zone. And we're just going to see how this goes. Still got 4 minutes on this candle. I feel like we probably are going to come down and fill the zone completely. If we jump down to the 1 minute chart, we can see that we haven't quite filled it yet. So let's see how it goes. We'll just stay here for a second. I think we're going to hover around here. I don't think we're going to break the candle high yet, so we're going to come back when we've either filled the zone or we've got a break of a candle high. Okay, guys, so we did get our break, and I have entered. It was looking pretty strong there, so we're going to take the entry even though we haven't got our full gap. If price does come back down into the zone, we have got our stop loss below the zone for 5.5 pips. So hopefully we can keep seeing price push up from here. We got our first TP up here for our 1-to-1, and then we'll look to manage the trade. And as you can see, we're pushing up quite nicely. There it goes. Look at that. Okay, first TP is coming in. I'm going to take that right now. It's a nice amount. First TP done. Stop loss to break even. And that's a quick ass trade. Damn. Okay. Take that, like that. So there we go. So the first TP taken there. This candle looked way too bullish to not take the opportunity. As I like to say, I normally like to see the fair value gaps get completely taken out. But in this case, price pushed up pretty hard with a nice bottom wick there. And yeah, as you can see, that was a lovely trade. So we'll let this run, and hopefully we can see price then come up to these highs here. And continue this overall upward trend, which it's been in for the last, well, since yesterday evening. So let's see how it goes. Alright, guys, this is a bonus round here. We were just looking at Euro Aussie dollar and just saw a beautiful entry which we have taken. We've gotten a little bit late because I saw the candle hopped onto the chart here. It just jumped out at me basically. But the idea behind this trade is that we've just broken out above these equal highs here. Okay, so this resistance has become support. We look like we've had a bit of a fake out into the zone. And then prices rocketed up, breaking some structure to the left and potentially creating a new trend up to the upside to continue this bullish movement and sort of turn around from here and keep pushing up to these highs up here. So we've gone on the 5 minute chart. We've entered the trade. We could have got a nicer entry if we were a little bit more patient here, I guess, but that's okay. You can see nice price action here. We got this demand zone. Price has come down. It's been rejected twice, and then we've broken a candle high. And yeah, we're going to look for price to continue to the upside. So it's a 12.6 pip. No, it's not. It's a 12.1 pip TP and 12.1 pip stop loss. So let's see how it goes, and then we can always look for price to continue up here and take out liquidity above these highs. So that's kind of what we're looking at. And yeah, so 2 trades in 1 video today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, jumping back in on here, we can see we pushed through this quite nicely, and price is pushing up to the upside. I can see that price is now likely going to go all the way up to here and retest these highs. As long as we don't come down to our break-even point and get taken out, then we're going to have our last 20% running quite nicely for the rest of the day. So let's see how it goes, and we'll come back when we've got some more movement. Alright guys, so we're just pushing up. We nearly hit our first TP there. So let's see. I'm going to take that there. That's good enough for me. Alrighty. Stop loss brought to break even. We let this thing run for the rest of the day. Alright, that was a good... literally, both of these trades are still running. Aussie USD is still running. Oh, wrong one. There we go. We haven't got a bit of a turnaround now, but we're just going to leave this to run. And then Euro Aussie dollar has also just hit our first TP, and we're going to let that thing run for the rest of the day. Stop loss at break even. We secured their overall, excuse me, 12 pips on Euro Aussie dollar, and we secured so far, I keep going on that one, wrong one. Secured 5.5 pips on our first TP, and we're currently running at 8 pips in profit on our last 20%. So super day, super hour actually, power hour that was. So stoked with that, and yeah, we'll let these run for the rest of the day, and I may put the results in at the end of this video. We shall see. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright then guys, so jumping back in, and Euro Aussie dollar has gone to break even. What a shame, look at that. Look at that there, just a little tip down, hit off our break even, and now we've pushed up and likely going to come up to break new highs. It's what it is. We had a nice win up here, so we are all good with that. We're actually down here, so there's a way of cookie crumble sometimes, but hey, that's all good. And Aussie USD has also gone to break even. Wrong one again. So as you can see, we had our push up, and then we've just pushed back down. Then we had New York Open, which pushed price down even further, and then we've had a bit of a play around here. And actually, potentially quite a nice looking sell opportunity there, which I've missed, but that is what it is, and we still made profit. So a successful 2 trades there, very happy with them, and yeah, we're going to move on to the next one. So if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. We're making a community of traders just like yourselves, and we're growing each and every single day, and I love it. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.